Increasing views on your YouTube videos requires a combination of strategies to attract a wider audience and keep viewers engaged. Here are some tips to help you boost your YouTube video views. Optimize video titles and thumbnails. Craft compelling and descriptive video titles that pique viewers' curiosity. Design eye-catching and relevant thumbnails that encourage clicks. Create high-quality content. Focus on producing content that is engaging, informative, entertaining, or valuable to your target audience. Invest in good video and audio quality to enhance the viewer experience. Keyword research. Use keyword research tools to identify relevant and trending keywords in your niche. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve discoverability. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments on your videos and encourage viewer interaction. Ask questions, seek feedback, and build a sense of community around your channel. Consistent upload schedule. Publish videos on a regular schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Consistency can lead to better subscriber retention and increased views. Promote on social media. Share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and relevant online communities. Use relevant hashtags and engaging captions to entice viewers to click on your video links. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche for collaborations or shoutouts. This can expose your content to their audience and vice versa. Video SEO. Utilize YouTube's search engine optimization features, such as tags, closed captions, and end screens. Transcribe your videos for closed captions to increase accessibility and searchability. Create playlists. Organize your videos into playlists to encourage viewers to watch more of your content. End one video by suggesting the next one in the playlist. YouTube ads. Consider running YouTube ads to promote your videos to a broader audience. Set a budget and target specific demographics or interests. Utilize trends and seasonal content. Create videos around trending topics or events in your niche. Capitalize on seasonal trends and holidays with relevant content. Engage viewers early. Hook viewers in the first few seconds of your video to reduce the likelihood of them clicking away. Pose intriguing questions or provide a sneak peek of what's to come. Custom thumbnails. Design custom thumbnails that represent the content accurately and stand out from competitors. Analyzing analytics. Regularly review YouTube analytics to understand audience behavior. Identify which videos are performing well and try to replicate their success. Create shareable content. Craft videos that viewers are more likely to share with their friends and social networks. Cross-promote within your videos. Mention and link to your other videos or playlists within your content to keep viewers on your channel. Experiment with video length. Test different video lengths to see what resonates best with your audience. Longer videos can lead to more watch time. Remember that building a substantial viewer base takes time and persistence. Be patient, adapt to the feedback you receive, and continually improve your content and promotional strategies to increase your YouTube views over time.